Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. In this video students we are going to see physical property of alcohols as well as phenols. Now in the physical property students, first physical property that we are going to see students, that is the nature of intermolecular forces between alcohol molecules and between phenol molecules. So we are going to study the nature of intermolecular forces in alcohols molecules, how one molecule of alcohol is held to other molecule of alcohols, and one molecule of phenols, how they are held to other molecule of phenols. That is called as nature of inter mean between two molecule of alcohols and between two molecules of phenols. So that we are going to see nature of intermolecular forces, how these forces are held alcohols molecules to another alcohols molecules and phenol molecules to another phenol molecules. That is why it is called as intermolecular forces. Which forces? Now students, alcohols and phenols are very polar molecules, both alcohols and phenols having polar molecules. Why students these alcohol and phenols have polar molecules? Due to presence of OH groups, that is hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl groups is responsible for the polarity in the molecule of alcohols and phenol. The polar, that is hydroxyl groups, are held together by the strong intermolecular forces. One hydroxyl group, because of the polar in nature, it will be held together. One molecule is held together to other molecules by strong intermolecular forces we call as hydrogen bonding. Very important students, one molecule is held together to other molecules by hydrogen bonding, otherwise they will vaporize. Why alcohols and phenols are liquid instant? Because of this hydrogen bonding. Okay students, so how they are held together, that diagram I am going to draw students. First we will see alcohol. When you draw the structure of alcohol students, aliphatic alcohols that we are showing with ROH. This is aliphatic alcohols students, one aliphatic alcohols. So students, I can draw like this. This is alkyl group which is attached to the oxygen and it is attached to the oxygen, hydrogen. This is ROH, one molecule of alcohol. Now another molecules of alcohol I am drawing here students. Again this is ROH. Now students, since OH hydroxyl groups are polar molecule, they are polar in nature. That means this oxygen will carry partial negative charge and hydrogen of the hydroxyl will carry partial positive charge. In another molecules also students, this oxygen will carry partial negative charge and this hydrogen will carry partial positive charge. Understanding students? See the charges students, they are unlike charges, so they will attract each other like this. This dotted line we call as hydrogen bonding. Okay students, similarly students, here the one of the oxygen is also held to the another molecules of alcohols. Similarly here dotted. This is called as between two molecule of alcohol students, that we call as intermolecular. This is also called as between two molecule of alcohols, so it is called as intermolecular hydrogen. Because this hydrogen bonding is very important students, this dotted part is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Understanding students? Same way students, when you are talking about phenol, that we are showing with aromatic symbol and OH. Here also students, you can draw the, I am taking two molecule of phenol. So this is aromatic, that is benzene, and this is oxygen which is held by hydrogen. So this is the phenol students, two molecules of phenol I have taken. Now here, because of the hydroxyl groups, this oxygen will carry partial negative charge and here the hydrogen will carry partial positive charge. Now here in this another phenol molecule students, the oxygen will carry partial negative charge and hydrogen will carry partial positive charge. Now what happens students, because they are unlike charges between these intermolecules students, there will be attraction. This attraction I am showing with dotted line, and this is nothing but your hydrogen bonding. Okay students, so this is nothing but what? Hydrogen bonding. So this way students, I have explained the intermolecular forces. The intermolecular force is called as hydrogen bonding. Understanding students? So because of these strong intermolecular forces, these two alcohols and phenols, they are present liquid state. And second physical property we are going to see, that is state. Understanding students? When you see the students lower alcohols may be methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. When you go students, so methanol will be lower alcohols as compared to ethanol, as compared to propanol, as compared to butanol. So we students, lower alcohols we are talking about. When you are talking about lower alcohols are colorless, they are transparent and toxic liquids. Methanol is very poisonous students, that is coming in lower alcohols. It is toxic, you are having characteristic alcoholic odor. Okay students, same way students, in pure phenol when you're talking about students, lower phenol is also colorless and they are toxic and having low melting solid, having characteristic carbolic phenolic order. Understanding students? So this is all about the physical state students. Lower alcohols are mostly liquid in state, and when you go from higher, they will become viscous in nature and they will become solid. Now students, now when you are talking about boiling point students, here also students, the boiling point of alcohols and phenols are increases with increase in their molecular masses. As the molecular mass increases from lower alcohols and phenols in higher state, the boiling point will also increase. As the molecular mass of alcohol and phenols increases, boiling point will also increases. That is, we call it as BP. The boiling point of alcohols and phenols increases with increase. Both are increasing in their molecular mass. As the molecular mass increases, boiling point will increase. Now students, fourth physical property that we are going to see in phenols and alcohols are, that is solubility, ability to dissolve. That is called as what? Solubility. So now students, phenols and lower alcohols having up to 3 carbons show appreciable solubility in water due to their ability to form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Understanding students, why phenols and lower alcohols are very easily dissolved in water? Because of hydrogen bonding. Again students, here the hydrogen bonding is playing very important role to dissolve the alcohols and phenols with water molecules students. Now that we are going to see with the help of the diagram students. Alcohol we are showing with ROH like this students. I am showing this is alcohol molecules students. Now water molecules I am showing like this, 2 water molecules. So suppose how they are forming the hydrogen bonding. So students, this is the oxygen having 2 hydrogen. This is water molecules again students, that I am showing like this. Okay students, now students, what happens students, how these water molecules, why these alcohols are soluble in nature? Because of this hydrogen bond. As you know students, in alcohols you have hydroxyl group. Here the oxygen will carry partial negative charge and hydrogen will carry partial positive. Oxygen will carry, in water molecules also, oxygen will carry partial negative charge and hydrogen will partial positive charge like this. Same way in another molecules of water molecules students, here this oxygen will carry partial negative charge and these 2 hydrogen will carry partial positive charge like this. Now because the charges are different, here negative charge and positive charge, there will be attraction. There is an intermolecular hydrogen bonding, because this hydrogen bonding I have shown with dotted line. Now here students, you will find oxygen of this water molecule will form the hydrogen bonding of hydrogen of this alcohol. So students, in alcohol you have oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. So here the oxygen will form the hydrogen bonding with these water molecules and hydrogen of this hydroxyl group will form the hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Understanding students? So you will find hydrogen bonding here and you will find the hydrogen bonding here. Same way students, this is called as hydrogen bonding. These both are what? Hydrogen bonding. So this way you can draw the structure. Understanding for the explanation students, this way you have to draw the structure of hydrogen bond. These are the hydrogen bond, dotted part. Understanding same way students, you can explain in phenols also. Molecule of phenol students, so this is a aromatic, that is benzene, we are showing with this symbol students. Here students, you can, this is the, here we are showing alcohol by ROH and these phenols we are showing with aromatic ring with OH. Okay students, so now students, in structure form you can write like this. Okay students, now 2 molecules of hydrogen water molecules you can draw like this students. This is the water molecules H2O and 1 water molecules you can write like this. Okay students, so 2 molecules of water I have drawn students and 1 molecule of phenol. Now students, as you know, they are having hydroxyl group. So this oxygen will carry always partial negative charge and hydrogen will carry partial positive charge. So now put the charge on all the molecules students. So oxygen will carry partial negative charge, hydrogen will carry partial positive charge like this you can draw, and this oxygen will partial negative. Now what happens students, because they are different charges, this is negative charge and there is a partial positive charge, so they will form the bond. There is the intermolecular force of attraction that we are showing with dotted line. Here also students, the hydrogen of these phenols now combines with the oxygen of these water molecules and they will form the hydrogen bonding like this. Dotted line shows the hydrogen bonding. Understanding? Here 2 hydrogen bonding I have shown. So students, this is nothing but, these both are nothing but hydrogen bonding. Because of this hydrogen bond, they are soluble. They are mostly they are soluble in water. This way students, you can explain the solubility of alcohols and phenols. This is very important for the examination point of view. Like my videos, share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.